help Mummy? Can you help me? We're going to make some cakes. I'm going to do these. So we was actually going to make some cakes with the flour. And we were going to do some apple and coconut oil biscuits for Buster. But I appear to have lost my rolling pin and the cutters, apart from a Christmas tree one. So in other words, Daddy's hid them, hasn't he? Because Daddy has a habit of doing this. And Daddy's at work. So we'll make these until we can relocate everything else. You gonna help Mumma? You gonna help me? Help Mummy stir. You help Mummy stir. No. You're just going to eat it, aren't you? I know. Help Mumma stir. You're so cute, baby. Help Mumma stir. You helping me? So cute. You're so cute. He's like, come on, Mummy, hurry up. There we go, put them in the oven. Put them in the oven, baby. Put them in the oven to cook. What's this, baby? Oh. Some cake mix. Oh. Now, yeah, guys, cooking really isn't my forte. I think box cakes are about what Mummy can manage. And she can do some doggy biscuits when she can find a rolling pin. And that's about it, isn't it? Not my forte, not baking, not cooking. I can cook basic stuff and that's it. Is that lovely? You're so gorgeous, my baby. So guys, these are them. All I can say is it's a good job I haven't got children because I can't even do box cakes properly. I'm not going to bother putting all these I'll just put them on a couple. They're not too bad. I'm sure they'll taste nice. Do you want your cake? Do you want your cake, baby? I don't know if you should have all of it. Oh, they're not very big, are they? Can I have your cakey? Sit. You have to sit, baby. Sit. Good boy. You should have stayed sitting, my darling, but it's okay. Isn't that lovely? Oh, you are funny, my baby. Do you not like it? What's that Mummy's cooking? Oh, there. Is that lovely?